Have you ever wondered what makes tea more than just a beverage? Today, we explore the art of tea making and the stories it tells. Let's start with a classic, the traditional masala chai, a recipe steeped in history and spice. Each sip of masala chai is a journey through vibrant markets and quiet early mornings in India. Moving east, discover the calming Japanese matcha, a green tea that paints a picture of tranquility. Matcha isn't just a drink, it's a meditative ritual, connecting us to centuries of Zen tradition. In Morocco, tea is the language of hospitality. Let's taste the mint tea that welcomes strangers as friends. The refreshing zest of mint merges with the sweetness of hospitality, offering a glass full of warmth. Back to the roots with a southern sweet tea, a staple that tells tales of long summer days in the American South. Sweet tea isn't just a refreshment, it's a gathering point for family stories and laughter under the sun. Exploring further, we find the robust Russian samovar tea, embodying the spirit of community. Samovar tea brings people together, sharing warmth and stories around the glowing embers of history. Each cup of tea carries a narrative, from leaf to lip, binding us across cultures and time. As we sip these global brews, we're not just tasting tea, we're savoring stories steeped in tradition. So what's your tea story? Join us as we continue to explore the rich tapestry of tea culture at www.michiganteas.com. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Remember, every cup of tea is a sip of history and culture. Organic tea, Michigan Teas, tea time. michiganteas.com.